Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings out.
Good morning guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. Actually, that's a lie. It's not the morning. It is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, but I did have a productive morning, so that's always good. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Sam. Today I am going to be filming a summer day in my life. I love filming these videos and I know a lot of you like them as well, so if you want to, be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I do answer every single comment, or at least try to. On my last video, I got so many comments, and just know if I don't answer it right away, I will get to it and I will answer every single one. If you guys also weren't aware, I do have a giveaway going on until July 30th, so all of those details will be in the description down below. Just watch my back to school video, and that is about all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for all the support on my channel recently. If you do like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and let's get on to my day. Before we actually get started, you guys do know I have to tell you and show you my outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing this Thrills t-shirt. I believe it's from Princess Polly. Don't quote me on that. I can't find the tag, but I think it was in my Princess Polly haul, so I'm gonna go with it's from Princess Polly. And then I'm just wearing these black leggings that I got a while ago from Kohl's. And I'm wearing these like little hoop earrings. I have no idea where they're from. They're like costume jewelry. They're not real and they're my mom's. So alrighty, so I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I have been loving doing recently. First off, I'm sorry that my hair looks a little crazy. I just got out of the shower because I had a very productive morning. I hit 4K, which thank you guys so much. My channel has been growing pretty fast and it has me so heartwarmed and heart-filled, and I'm so genuinely thankful for every single one of you. And after that, I kind of like celebrated a little, like enjoyed all the happiness. I posted a YouTube video, which was my giveaway back to school one, and then I went on a run. But now that I took a shower and I'm ready for my day, I do have some things I wanted to talk to you guys about, like I was saying. So this part of the video is actually in collaboration with Teami blends. You guys know that I absolutely love Teami blends and I love their Super Greens food powder. I will have a little thing on the screen of their website. I do have a discount code for you guys, and the really good thing about Teami blends is that they have so many different options that you can choose from. So they have teas, they have beauty stuff, they have skincare, and they have powders like this. And the thing that I like the most about this powder is that it has 16 superfoods in the powder. Literally all you have to do is take 1 scoop of the powder and put it into either water, juice, smoothie, and you just have a glass of it, and then you automatically have 16 superfoods in your body. For me, that's amazing because I am not a huge vegetable or fruit person, and I just feel like getting your greens in is so important. So this is something that helps me. I just have to drink this 1 glass of either smoothie, water, or juice, like I said, and it does the trick. Another good thing about me is I love being productive, and I need a lot of energy to help me become productive throughout the day and keep me motivated. So I wanted to tell you guys that it helps me with getting energy and everything like that as well. I'm actually going to head to the kitchen and go make one of those drinks right now. I am actually only eating 2 meals a day. Don't come at me, I promise they're filled with nutrition and I'm having the right amount of calories, and this is just something I like to have as like a lunch, but not like too much. And I used to drink it in the morning, but now I like to have it at least like 3 to 4 times a week for my lunch instead of like a real meal. So that is something I've been doing. If you guys want to check them out, I do have a code. It will be on the screen right here, and also the links to their website and the code will also be in the description box down below. The code is just COSTA25. Now that all of that has been said, let's head to the kitchen so I can show you guys exactly how I make this drink because it's so good.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up.
As you guys just saw, I finished my little water and Teami Blends greens little powder drink. So good, really recommend it. Definitely go check them out. Again, everything is in the description box down below. Now that that has all been said, I do have to clean some of my room. I feel like in all my vlogs I am cleaning, but my room is kind of messy. It's not like messy with clothes everywhere this time. I just have to dust it. My mom really wants me to dust. So we are going to do that. And then we're also going to clean my car. So again, another cleaning portion, but I feel like montages are fun to watch, right? Comment down below what you think, and comment down below if your room is always a mess, because mine certainly is. While talking about like messes, I also have a huge pile of laundry. I'm gonna show you guys because it's just not okay anymore. Can anyone else relate to this huge pile? I'm gonna either do that today or tomorrow. I got my duster and we're gonna get right to cleaning. Just finished dusting my room. I feel like it smells really clean now. I don't know if anyone else could relate to that, but that's just how I feel whenever I like clean my room. I was gonna vacuum, but I actually just have hardwood floors, so then I realized that wouldn't really do anything. The only thing that's like messy in my room is this. So I have these clothes here. That is actually for a back to school clothing haul that's coming soon. I'm just waiting for the other pieces to come. Then I have this bag that I have to give back to someone. And really that's it, other than the little laundry situation we have going on over here. Everything else is pretty clean, so I'm happy with that. And now I am actually going to head to my car and try not to sweat because I already showered, and clean out my whole entire car because that is a mess. Like, that is crazy messy, and there's garbage in it that has to be thrown out. There's like face masks that are old that have to be thrown out, and you know, just clean down everything just to be safe, and use like disinfectant wipes and everything like that. So let's head to the car. So I'm almost embarrassed to show what my car looks like right now, but I'm gonna do it because it's part of the vlog. Just know that I'm only cleaning my car inside my car, if that makes sense, because I'm on a hill. If you guys like can see, I am on a hill. So it is not very easy for me to keep the door open, because every time I try to keep the door open, it just slams in my face. So I'm gonna try to clean it inside the car. My car looks like this. This is one of the masks that have to go, and then the bottom of the floor looks like that. This is some of the school supplies that are for you guys, and also just some of my school supplies. It's in there because I have to Lysol everything down, so I just figured it would be safer to keep it in my car before I brought it inside. And then the back looks insane as well. There's some clothes, some are school supplies, some socks, because I do work out at my friend's house sometimes, and then I just throw it in there and forget to bring it inside my house. So we're gonna clean all this out, and I have a garbage bag in here, and we're just gonna get it done because I am dreading it. It's hot in my car. I'm starting to sweat. I might put the car on just so I could get air because it's very hot in here. And yeah, I guess let's just do this. And then I'm gonna reward myself with a Starbucks drink because I think it's necessary. And then we're going to Target. Everyone loves Target, so stay tuned.
I just can't get over.
I just finished cleaning my car. Even though I did not want to start sweating, I did, so I put my hair in a little low bun for now, just when I was cleaning my car. I took all of the school supplies inside, and I just have some shoes left in my car, but I'm just gonna leave those there for now because I do want to head to Starbucks, and then I'll bring them back inside when I go back inside later. But the back of my car looks really clean now. I do have to vacuum it, but I'm gonna get a car wash, so at least there's nothing there other than those moccasins, which I just leave there just in case for the winter, and an umbrella. So everything is super clean except for that, which I have to bring inside. Also, I just want to say that I threw out the face masks that I threw out because they were very old and dirty, and you can't wash the ones that I threw out. Please don't come at me in the comments for that. I saved them for as long as I could. I just wanted to make that clear because I don't want people thinking I'm wasting them, because I know there's a shortage. I'm not, I promise. They were in my car and I used them for like about a week-ish, and I know you're not even supposed to do that, so just keep that in mind. I really don't go out that much, and I try to use them as much as possible. And I also have reusable ones like this, and I just ordered more in the mail, so just want to make that clear because I don't want people being upset that they think like I'm wasting them or not for throwing them out, because I promise I'm not. Now that that has been said, and my car smells really clean, we're gonna head to Starbucks because I feel like it's well deserved, right? Who knows? We're going anyway though. I just got to the Starbucks drive-thru line, and let me just say, it is a very, very, very long line. So this may take a while, but vlog time, it'll be like 0.5 seconds. So that's good for you guys. I did want to show you guys, I got my nails done the other day. I think they look pretty good. I got gel instead of tips just because the tips did lift on my nails and then water got under them, and I don't want that to happen. So I just decided to get gel. It was cheaper and they look good. And then I just got a regular pedicure. I got like a very light pink color. You guys probably saw when I was walking down the stairs earlier in the montage, but I'm in a very long line. I'm going to show you, and then I'll probably just come back on after I get my Starbucks drink because this may take a while. I've waited in this line before and it took like 30 minutes, and that's annoying. You can't even see the drive-thru, but these are all the cars.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a tall green tea iced with no sugar?
A tall green iced tea with no sugar?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
$2.40.
Thank you. The wait actually was not that bad, which is surprising because usually it's really, really long. I don't know if I'm gonna include the clip I got because it doesn't really look like it was long, but there was about like 15 cars in front of me. But where I am and like the Starbucks drive-thru that I'm at, it like curves around the building, so you couldn't really see, but it was crazy. It only took like 15-20 minutes, which isn't that bad. They moved kind of quick today, which is always good. And as you guys saw, I just got a small green tea with no ice because it's good for my PCOS. My car tripod did break a couple months ago, so I can't really vlog and drive. I mean, I'm going like 1 mile an hour right now, so it's fine. But that's why I don't include like car montages anymore of me driving, because I don't have anything to hold it up on. It's really annoying. I have to order another one, but that is why, in case you guys were wondering. I'm gonna wait for this drink and I'll show you guys when I get it. I got my drink. Again, it's just a tall green iced tea with no liquid sugar. I always say no sugar just in case they put sugar in it. I don't think they do, but I just always like to be sure. Let's give this a try. It's honestly not that good. It just tastes like water, but it's good for my PCOS. For those of you who don't know and that are new to my channel, I do have PCOS. It is quite annoying, but I know that green tea is just a good thing for people with PCOS, so that is just what I drink. But if you're someone who does have PCOS, just know I'm not certified in what I'm talking about. I'm just saying what helps me, so this is something that helps me. It has like a very little tea flavor, but really not that much. It really just tastes like water. But it is healthy, so that's always good. I kind of like the way my hair looks. It's like kind of beach wavy, but not really. I don't know. I'll probably watch this on camera and be like, oh my gosh, my hair looks crazy. Yeah, that's usually what happens. I parked to tell you guys what the plan is now. So basically, like I was saying earlier in this video, I hit 4K, and that is like such an honor to me. It is my dream to hit 5K by the end of the summer, and I think we can do it at the rate we are growing right now, and that means so much to me. I can't express how happy and how appreciative I am of every single one of you. So because of that, that is why I am hosting 2 giveaways. One of them just ended because I hit 4K within a week, and that is crazy. I was growing at like 1K a month, and then I posted that giveaway when I was at 3K exactly, and then a week later I hit 4K, and the giveaway was only up for like 3 days, and I was like, oh my gosh. I said 4K because I expected it to take a month for me to hit 4K, because that's how my channel was growing, and I wanted the video to be out there for like a while so a lot of people could enter. I still did have over 200 entries, but I was like, oh my gosh, I literally hit it in a week. And for me, that's crazy because my channel has never grown that fast, like ever. So thank you to every single one of you. And I do have another giveaway going around. It ends July 30th. This video will be up on Friday, so before that. So go check that out. It is a school supply video. I have 2 up on my channel, and then I have another like back to school college dorm shopping one. Go check those out because I think you'll really like them, and I want you guys to join the giveaway. So that is what I'm doing to give back to you. So with that being said, something that I have to do is go pick up like a box to put all the giveaway stuff in. I do have a winner. How I picked the winner was I just put everyone's name in a random generator picker on the internet and had the generator pick it, so it was completely fair. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other giveaway because I don't like to just choose. I always like to make sure everyone does the rules and then add everyone that does everything that I asked them to do in the giveaway to enter. As long as they did all of it, I put all of their names into the random generator generator, which takes a while, but it's worth it because it's for all of you who support me, so obviously I want to get back to you. And then I let the random generator pick it, and then I DM the person on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, you can enter. I will figure out a way to get in contact with you. With all that being said, I need to go to either Target or like Walgreens and get a box and write a little nice note to send to the winner. So I'm gonna go do that now, and then we'll take it from there. I'm not sure if I should go to Target, because if I go to Target, you see, I'll buy a lot of stuff and I don't want to spend money today, so I feel like I should just go to Walgreens and just get the box, because I know what box I should get since I got it before. So I think I'm gonna do that. I know I said I would go to Target, but I'm like questioning whether I should go to Target or not now. This clip is way too long and it's supposed to be a vlog, so I'm gonna figure it out and I'll see you when I get wherever I'm going. I decided to just come to Walgreens to make this a little fast and quick trip. I'm gonna put my mask on and we're gonna head inside. The mask did not fit over my earrings.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
Okay, I got everything. I just got a little box. It's pink, and then I also got some Sour Patch Kids just for my brother because he's been asking for them ever since I got the giveaway stuff. So that's what I picked up. It was $11, really cheap, and yeah. I just got to my boyfriend's house and it is around 4 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna order some food. I'm trying to not eat after 6 p.m. just because I heard that it's good for you. So it's 4 o'clock, hopefully it gets here by like 5, and then I'll be good to go. So I'm gonna order that, and yeah, I'm excited. Hi, can I place an order for delivery?
Sure, what's your phone number?
Can I have whole wheat penne with tomato sauce? I just ordered my food. I couldn't include the whole clip, obviously, because I had to say my address and phone number and everything like that, but I included some of it, and I'm actually in my boyfriend's room right now. I wanted to show you guys our fish. So we got these about a year ago. This is Midnight. We named him Midnight, and that is Rex. They are about a year and a half old, I want to say. We got them like last February. So this is our fish tank. It does need to be cleaned, but actually it doesn't look that bad. The filter broke, so we have to get a new one. So these are our fish. So whenever I order food, I try to stay productive between that hour, because then I'll just start craving the food and snacking on like anything that's in my house or wherever I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to catch up on YouTube work. So I'm going to edit part of this vlog, and I'm also going to answer some comments. I'm so behind on answering comments because the video that I posted today with the giveaway in it is doing really well, and I'm so appreciative for that. I love all of your comments, but I do need to catch up on them. I've had a busy day, so I haven't been answering all of them. I've answered like half. There's 300 right now, and it's only 4 o'clock, and that is crazy. Thank you guys so much for commenting and entering my giveaway and everything. I am going to answer some comments, edit this vlog, and hopefully the food will be here by then because I'm starving.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head.
So my food just got here. I just got grilled chicken, and then I got some whole wheat penne. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that is penne. And then this is just some grated cheese. It actually got here at 4:46, so I have enough time to eat before 6 o'clock. Yum! I don't think anyone else can say they love pasta as much as I do. Even though this is whole wheat, it's still so good, but a little healthier. I'm sorry for the lighting, but yes, I am eating on the floor. I don't know if that's weird, but that's how I like to eat when I edit, because I don't know, I can't explain it. But yes, I'm eating on the floor to answer anyone's question. Alright, so I'm pretty much done for the day. The food was really good. I really enjoyed it. And right now, I'm probably just going to catch up on some YouTube videos and just relax for the rest of the night. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And leave me a comment down below so we can chat. I love talking to all of you, and I answer every single comment. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support on all of my videos. I love you so much and literally appreciate it to the moon and back. With all that being said, be sure to check out Teami blends. Again, everything is listed in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.